Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Meraki MS120-8LP. As with other Merakis, very easy packaging. Simply open the box. Device is right here, ready to go. You have your power supply in here. You have anchors and screws. Pull this out, take it out of the foam, and here's your switch. You'll notice it has 8 ports. It has 2 SFP slots. Not much to it, simple switch. On the bottom, you'll notice these will push out. So if you want to wall mount it, now you have your brackets to be able to wall mount. As I showed you earlier, the anchors and the screws are in here. But if you don't want to wall mount it, just simply leave these closed. You notice it already has the grommets on the bottom of it. You can simply set it on a desk or a rack shelf, however you want to mount it. And it's ready to go. Thanks for watching.